सारे घर तबाह हो गए।
पाकिस्तान जी ॿिनि ॾींहंनि जी यात्रा ते इस्लामाबाद पहुतल गॾियल क़ौमुनि जे सेक्रेटरी जनरल अंतोनियो गुतेरेस खे नेशनल फ्लड रिस्पॉन्स सेंटर में मुल्क अंदरि तूफ़ानी बरसातुनि ऐं ॿोॾि जे वहकिरनि पारां मचायल तबाहीअ बाबति तफ़सीली ब्रीफिंग ॾिनी वई। वज़ीर आज़म जे मौजूदगी में NFRC जे मेजर ज़फ़र इक़बाल वीडियोज़ ऐं स्लाइड्स जी मदद सां सेक्रेटरी जनरल खे ब्रीफिंग ॾिनी। मेजर ज़फ़र आलमी इदारे जे सेक्रेटरी जनरल खे ॿुधायो त क्लाइमेट चेंज सबबि पाकिस्तान में पयल तूफ़ानी बरसातुनि ऐं ॿोॾि जे वहकिरनि मुल्क जे बुनियादी ढांचे खे कापारी धकु लॻायो आहे। हुन ॿुधायो त मुल्क जो 1/3 हिसो अञा ॿुॾल आहे। हुन चयो त हिकु अंदाज़े मूजिबि $30 अरब जो नुक़सानु थियो आहे।
More than 1,300 persons have died, including 400 children. Over 12,000 people have been injured. However, given the unprecedented size of the calamity, the resources currently available to the government of Pakistan are not enough. Help and assistance are arriving from friendly countries and multilateral partners.
This time, 1/3 of Pakistan is underwater. The losses will be much higher and much bigger. It is provisionally estimated that over $30 billion would be lost in this catastrophe.
ब्रीफिंग दौरान अंतोनियो गुतेरेस सवाल कयो त छा मंछर ढंढ मां पैदा थियल ख़तरे ते हाणे कंट्रोल कयो वियो आहे। मेजर ज़फ़र इक़बाल जवाबु ॾींदे चयो त मंछर खे ॿकट ॾियण खां पोइ पाणीअ जो दॿाउ घटायो वियो आहे ऐं उमेद आहे त हफ़्ते अंदरि पाणी समुंड में छोड़ थी वेंदो। पर बलोचिस्तान मां लाॻीतो ईंदड़ पाणीअ सबबि 1 महीने ताईं ख़तरे वारी सूरतहाल जारी रही सघे थी।
May I ask you two questions? I've read in the press in the last 2 days that there was a lake in which you were worried about is it controlled?
Has a total capacity of 125 feet it could rise to. It rose to 124 feet. Therefore, we had to apply breaching sections at 2 places. The water is out. It has flooded 5 tehsils. Almost 164,000 people are affected in that area. The situation is still fluid. We still have boats in the area rescuing people. However, there is a glimmer of hope as of today that we have broken the national railway line as well as the national highway N55, and the water has started pouring into the Indus. This will take about a week to stabilize. But because the water is coming from Balochistan, we feel that our danger period will still lurk for another month or so.
आलमी इदारे जे सेक्रेटरी जनरल अंतोनियो गुतेरेस पाकिस्तान में क्लाइमेट चेंज जे तबाहकारनि बाबति ब्रीफिंग वठण बैदि आलमी बिरादरी खे पाकिस्तान लाइ $30 अरब जे इमदाद जी अपील कई। हुन चयो त आलमी बिरादरी खे इहा मदद यकजहती जे इज़हार तौरु न पर इंसाफ़ तौरु करणु घुरिजे, छाकाणि त पाकिस्तान खे ॿियनि मुल्कनि जे माहौल दुश्मन क़दमनि जी सज़ा मिली आहे।
Pakistan needs massive financial support to respond to this crisis that have costed, according to some estimates I've heard today, about $30 billion and counting. And that support is entirely necessary, and it is not a matter of solidarity, it's a matter of justice. Pakistan has not contributed in a meaningful way to climate change. The level of emissions of this country is relatively low. But Pakistan is one of the most dramatically impacted countries by climate change, in the front line of the impact of climate change.
इन खां अॻु मीडिया सां ॻाल्हाईंदे सेक्रेटरी जनरल चयो त इंसानियत नेचर ते जंगमड़ी ऐं नेचर बि जवाबी हमिलो कयो आहे, पर नेचर ग़लतीअ सां पाकिस्तान खे निशानो बणायो आहे।
Humanity has declared war on nature, and nature is striking back. But nature is blind. It is not striking back on those that have more contributed to the war on nature. Pakistan has given little contribution to climate change, but Pakistan is one of the most dramatically impacted hotspots by the consequences of climate change. So it's like nature has attacked the wrong target. It should be those that are more responsible for climate change that should have to face this kind of challenge, and if that would be the case, probably we would not have the present situation in climate change. I'll do my best to raise awareness in the international community and to mobilize the whole UN system supporting Pakistan, the Pakistani government and the Pakistani people. Thank you very much.
वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ़ अंतोनियो गुतरेस जी इमदाद वारी अपील ते संदसि थोरा मञिया ऐं इहो यकीन ॾियारियो त आलमी बिरादरी जी इमदाद जो हिकु हिकु पैसो शफ़ाफ़ अंदाज़ में ॿोॾि मुतासिरनि जे बहालीअ लाइ ख़र्च कयो वेंदो।
I give you my word of honor, along with all these ladies and gentlemen sitting on this table, ministers, general officers, government officials, ladies and gentlemen, that every penny we get from you or from wherever, we will spend it most transparently and in the interest of the suffering humanity.
अंतोनियो गुतरेस परॾेही वज़ीर बिलावल भुट्टो ज़रदारी सां बि मुलाक़ात कई ऐं पाकिस्तान जे भरपूर इमदाद लाइ पंहिंजो किरदारु अदा करण जो अज़म वरजायो।